In this video, we'll teach you how to fix unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs. So let's get started. First of all, open ElevenLabs and try generating the voice. But if you encountered an error that I mentioned a few seconds ago, I'll show you what you need to do to fix this problem. First of all, you need to go to your browser settings. At the moment I'm using Google Chrome, so I need to click the three dots in top right corner and go to the settings, which is in the bottom. Then on the left menu, we need to find privacy and security, and in this menu we need to look for third-party cookies. Click on it, and right here you will see all site data and permissions. Click on this, and in the search you need to write ElevenLabs. And right here you need to scroll this down and delete all of the cookies from ElevenLabs. So when you delete the cookies, close your browser and reopen it and try to use the ElevenLabs. But if you still have got the problem, then you need to check your network connection, try to refresh the page and browser, or you can also try to use a different browser on ElevenLabs. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.